and a famous lady born in Nigeria. I think she works in the UK. She's one of the anchors of CNN, Zain Asha. What happened in Kamukunji was given absolutely important airtime. And so the world is aware of what's going on in our beloved country. Allow me then to invite our brother, Raila Molo Odinga, our leader, to come and make an important statement. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a statement by Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition on the launch of a digital signature platform. And I just want to announce, before I read the statement, that this platform is now up and running, and any Kenyan, wherever they are, you can just go to www.tumechoka.com and you will be able to access it. Last week, we announced the launch of a program of collecting signatures for the purposes of taking back the powers we delegated to our leaders. The exercise, which is ongoing, is meant to express the people's displeasure with Ruto and the raft of punitive, unfair, and unjust taxes that he has decided to impose on the people without the people's consent. This is part of